Hello viewers, I am C. Manmadan from Tamil Nadu, Theni. I am studying RVS College of Engineering and Technology, B Mechanical. Now you can see this is a insect, one type of insect. Isoptera is name. Now I can tell about this. It is a one type of food for all living things. Um, Now see, it have more fat are there, so it's a very healthy for all. It comes in only November, December, and October month. Uh, Raining season it have only get. Now I can eat this one. Children don't watch this one and see. It's very tasty and it's have more fat other, so very healthy for me. So don't try this one. Um, but it's very tasty. So thanks for watching.